Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Have I got an amazing thing for you guys. This is a new product going in my Etsy store tonight. Actually, it may be in there last night. I don't know. It all depends on when I can get this video uploaded. So how many of you remember the little folder flip book we did? Check it out. Look, guys, I created a kit. Right now I only have this one kit, but I created a kit that you can print and cut and put together, and you don't have to worry about the measurements or anything. Excuse me. Yes. And this is with my Mademoiselle kit. So let's just get started. And by the way, if you don't know, my name is Betty. I am the owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. So what I done when I created this kit, excuse me, is I just made it to where you do not have to do any of the measuring or scoring. It's all done for you. Now, I probably could have and should have cut this all out, but I was too excited. So, but it'll show you how long it takes from start to finish to put this little booklet together. I'm not going to decorate it or anything tonight because I'm probably going to end up posting this video tonight instead of waiting until in the morning, because I am just so excited about this kit. Yeah, oh, better not let that go away, and I'll show you what those are for. Alright. So I'm just trying to cut. I can put it on my scan and cut, but I'm being lazy. And probably what I'll do, I'm going to cut this one out. We'll make it, and then I'll pause the video and cut the other 3 out, and then come back and we'll make them together. Okay. Alright, and that's all there is to that. Let's go ahead and cut these out. And I just done these so that you would have something, and I'll show you why in a minute. Let me just get those cut out real quick. I apologize. I should have cut this stuff out, but I was just so excited to show you guys this kit. I could not wait. Yep. And there will be several more of these different styles that will be available. This one is just the first one that I have right now. So, okay. Let's put these 3 out of the way. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to cut these 3 out, and then we'll come back. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I am back. It didn't take long at all. So I've got my 4 folders cut out, and I've got these cut out. So this is all you're going to need to do. It's where the white is. I didn't bother wasting ink because that's not going to be seen. Just fold that over and do the same thing on this side. So with this kit, I have eliminated the need for you to have to try and score. And then you're going to fold on that line right there, and you're just going to fold it up. Okay. Now, we have a little bit left here, and I've done that on purpose because I wanted you to be able to see some of the back, that kind of stuff. So that's going to go there. And then that's what these are for, because I can put a backing page in there so that if you choose to print on it, you can. But, you know, there was no sense in wasting that that ink, so I done these little tabs that you can put on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and just glue this down. So we're just going to glue these white flaps here. My glue is acting goofy. Okay. And there we go. There's that one. And let's do maybe ephemera. I like that. Let's go ahead and just glue it on down. Let's be done with it. Okay, so I'm just taking and I'm leaving a little bit of white around it. I'm not making, and I should have cut the black off a little better, but I didn't, and I'm fine with that. And there's that one. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So I'm just folding over the white flaps. And then I'm just folding this up. Okay, I didn't fold that very good. You can put this on a scoreboard to score where those lines are if you want to. You can absolutely do that. All right, so now let's glue these flaps down. And what I'll do is I'll just make the book tonight because it's literally late, but I was so excited about getting this kit finished that I was like, I had to get on here and show you guys tonight. And I think I want to maybe do memories. And you can absolutely use your own labels. You can, you know, leave them blank. You can do whatever. I just, you know, I wanted an option for you if you didn't want to see the white. And like I said, I will have a backing page included in the kit, just in case you want to use that. I just, for me personally, I didn't see no need to do it. Not for what I'm going to be using this for. So, and again, I'm just folding up right there at that score line. So the way that I've done the kit is I've just eliminated all of the need that you would have for scoring and measuring and remembering measurements and that kind of stuff. I just took all of that out of the way for you so that you can just get the kit and make them. And like I said, there are going to be other kits. This was just the one that I made tonight. Okay, and then I'm just going to take and glue this one down. My cutting, I'm telling you, I have got to do better about my cutting. It's awful. Okay, let's put this one down. Okay, and we're already on the last one. So, yeah, this is going to be a super short video. But I had to get on here and show you guys because I love it. Absolutely love it. And it's so easy the way that I've got it done for you guys. It's so easy to do this. So you're not looking for paper. You're not trying to remember measurements, because I've already done all of that. Yep. I've already done all of that for you guys. So all you have to do is just sit down and craft and put it together. And you're good to go. Okay. So see, we've already got all 4 folders put together. Just that quick, guys. Okay. So now let's get these out. And I want this one to be first. Maybe this one. And then this one. And then this one. All right, so we will go ahead and put it together. And now, mind you, there's several different ways you can use to close this. I'm just going to do the same way that I did on the others. I would suggest getting a clip to hold these together with while you do this, but you know, if you don't have a clip, just make sure you do it as good as you can, you know, keep it as straight as possible. I got one of those holes a little too far, or I got them both, you know. I should have done the spacing better, but it's okay. Just put that down, making sure that's straight. And then I'm going to put this one down. Okay, so there, I mean, our book is actually done. I don't know that I have any really matchy ribbon up here. I don't know. Okay, so what I can do now, I could go back in, and I should have done this a little closer to the line, but it is okay. And what you could do if you don't like, and this is just to show you, you could take a piece of that and wrap it around like that and glue it down, and then you would never see the eyelets, and then you wouldn't need the ribbon or anything. But for this, I am perfectly fine with it this way. Now let's see. I'm just measuring my pockets. Yep, they turned out perfect. They're about 4 by 6, so they should hold a 4 by 6 recipe card or anything like that. But how cute is this to decorate up? Let's see. I'm just looking to see what I have that I can decorate this with right now. I don't know what I want to use, so we're probably not going to decorate it right now. I'm going to go ahead and end this video because I mainly just wanted to get on here, show you guys what I have. You can absolutely ink this up. We can put, you know, the different stuff on the backs. You have your folders there. You can cut your little thumb pulls in it. So much you can do with this. The possibilities are endless. So that's it, guys. I will have the link to this below, where this is listed in my Etsy store. So it will be linked below. And that's it, guys. Go get it. Go start making you some of these books. I will have, like I said, this is just the first style. I will have several more styles start coming available. I'll do some fall ones, possibly with the Indian summer kit. Then leading up into Christmas, there'll be some Christmas ones in there. So jump on over, grab it while you can, guys. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.